Let's go home, pretty bird. Yes, hi. Your mama doesn't usually walk backwards, do I? Silly goose. Pretty bird. You are so pretty. Let's go. Let's go home. You want to go home? You want to go home, pretty bird? What? Yes, we're going to go home. You are so pretty. It's getting too hot, isn't it? What? What scared you? What? What happened? What happened? What do you see? Come here. Wait. Where's that big truck? Alright, ready? Let's go home, Goose. Come on, silly goose. Where you going? Come on, silly goose. Come on, pretty bird. Yes, come on. Watch out. Whee! Good girl. Ready to go home? Come on. Come on, pretty bird. Where's Daddy? Is that your house? Yeah, that's your house. Go on. Let's go home. Let's go home. You can go home? You ready to go home? Come on. Where's your house, pretty bird? Go home. Yeah, that's your house. Good girl. Go home, pretty bird. Go on, go home. Go home. No, not through the garage today. Come on, let's go through the front door. Come on. Say bye-bye. We gotta go. We're going home. Pretty bird, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Are you ready? You can go home? Quick, 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 quick. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's go see where Daddy is, yes? Say hi, Daddy. Yes, pretty bird always talks to the window right there. Because when Daddy's on a computer, Daddy talks to her through the window when we get home, right? Yes, he does. All right, pretty bird. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Wait.